Hey, what's going on, guys? Back for another video. And yeah, so basically today, as you can see, we are going to be putting on the rocker panels, or side skirts, whatever you want to call them. But yeah, so this is the 2004 Mitsubishi Lancer Ralliart, if you're new to the channel. And yeah, we're about to put everything on it. And yeah, so some things I didn't show you guys from the last video were, one, the car in the sunlight. So I'll go ahead and get some angles. So let's see those. Here we are coming in on the front. Very lightning yellow, freshly painted. And there's a little overspray if you look in here, right inside of there, but under the where the intercooler would be, but that's all right. Come around the side, really good as well. This is the other side skirt. Also, that's where the damage is on my car from when somebody hit it. Yeah, but other than that, yeah, this is also didn't show you guys the upgraded tires. These are 235 40 18s, and they're Michelin all seasons, and yeah, they look great. And the lower control arms are on for the Evos, so it's now centered, and yeah, it's got more meat to it, and I'm very happy. Yeah, it looks really good. And yeah, today I'll be doing some trimming because I'm rubbing on my rear, and I'll be putting on the side skirts, and I'll show you the back side and everything. So coming around here, I also need to put on my reflectors today, the bumper marker lights, I mean. And yeah, looks really good. And I might put on the trunk lid spoiler as well. So yeah, we'll see what we get done today. I don't have much time, but I'll try to work on that. But yeah, it looks really good. And I'll get you the other side. Yeah, it's coming out really good. And I know when I watch videos, if I'm new to videos, I always want to see like what the if it's manual or not. And yes, it's very much manual. That's the Evo cluster and everything, and yeah, it looks really good. Yeah, so let's get to doing these side skirts, and I'll show you guys a side fitment real quick. So right here, front fitment looks great with the J&C 017s. You can see it's very nice fitment right there. And coming around on the back, fitment's pretty good. And then from the side, yeah, if I can find some RPF ones, these will be gone, but until then, this is what I'll be rocking. So yeah, let's get to the side skirt install. Alright, cool, we got the side skirts on one side. Oh sweet, son. Had to use some self-tappers, but you know, fuck it. And this is the homie's whip. Oh shit, it's clean, my dude. Oh, that's alright, it'll be alright. It'll be alright. It's clean. Oh man. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Man, the lightning yellows are here, my dude. Can go get some pics later. Gotta put the other skirt on and it'll be straight. Oh. Alright, bam, check it out. Side skirts are on. Yeah, me and Damien put them on. That's his car and it looks freaking dope. Both lightning yellow. But yeah, they're on. I had to use some self-tappers because obviously they're not bowed on. And yeah, but from the side view, looking good. Coming on. Looking good. And yeah, that's what they're on. You can see both Lancers and everything. Yo, that's dope. That's real dope. Oh man. Also back here, we got the rear reflectors on now, and I might put the spoiler on. I don't know. I still don't know yet. It's just like his. His is clean. What are your wheel specs, man?
16 by 8.
16 by 8.
Plus 25 off, so.
Oh, plus 25s, and they're like hella flush. They look super good. But yeah, and look, it's got the SRS exhaust. Yo, this is clean, son. This is dope. That's both Lancers. Oh man, that's clean. Yo, this is like a good freaking what do you call it? What is the goddamn, huh?
Thumbnail?
Yeah, this is a thumbnail right here, man. Like, Alright guys, I'm just going to show you guys the end product with the side skirts on, and taking in mind that the side skirts don't really line up to the Ralliart body, so I did have to use some self tappers. But yeah, I'll stop talking. I'll show you guys the Ralliart that you guys want to see, and we'll end this video. That's the Subaru, so let's get to that.